Well, happy Sunday, everyone. There's a lot to get to in the tropics, lots to cover, but luckily no big real impacts happening here at home in southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi. The Atlantic is busy. There are 5 different waves we are watching right now. We'll break them down one by one. The only thing that might be able to bring us some higher rain chances this entire week is this Gulf disturbance that we've been talking about for days now. It is an area of disturbed weather now in the eastern Gulf. It might turn into a depression in the next 24, 48 hours or so, but it's going to zip by pretty quickly. Hopefully give us some higher rain chances tomorrow. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes, but out in the Atlantic basin further away, 2 tropical areas to watch. Yes, they have good chances for development, but they're going to stay out in the open Atlantic Ocean and pose no threat to land. This is Tropical Depression 6. It's going to fizzle out by early tomorrow morning out in the open ocean. Now, this area of disturbed weather is moving through the Caribbean, and it is going to bring some rain and storms to the greater Antilles early this week, but you notice it curves out into the open Atlantic Ocean and doesn't pose any threat to the United States. But the greater Antilles will be seeing some showers and storms over the course of the next 2 to 3 days. Out in the eastern Pacific, of course, Hurricane Hilary is still a Category 1, but it is weakening. It just keeps on weakening as it moves northward. But check out all the rain and storms and moisture moving into the western half of the U.S., parts of Mexico dealing with heavy rain. Of course, wind and flooding will be an issue for parts of Southern California and the desert Southwest. It could still be a tropical storm when it moves into Southern California later today. Today is the big impact day for Southern California with the rain and the gusty winds and the flash flooding and the mudslides. So it's going to be a really busy day, to say the least, for Southern California and parts of the western United States. Luckily, heading into tomorrow, that all calms down. So it's just today they have to get through it, maybe into early tomorrow morning, and that's it. Of course, the Saints are out in Los Angeles. There is a tropical storm warning in effect for Los Angeles County all day today. They got the rain, they got the wind gusts that can be up to 30 miles per hour. Of course, we can deal with that here at home. Out in LA, it's going to be a different kind of feel. Rainy and windy. There's also a flood watch in effect. Temperatures will be in the 70s during game time. So out west, rainfall totals can range from anywhere to 6 to 10 inches in some of the worst spots, especially in the mountainous terrain. That can certainly cause quite a bit of issues. And you notice in the Gulf of Mexico, there's this swath of rainfall accumulation between now and Tuesday night from that Gulf disturbance we will be tracking that is moving into South Texas by Tuesday. So you notice South Texas going to get some beneficial rain from this Gulf disturbance that's going to move from east to west in the coming days. So this is what it looks like right now. You kind of notice some broad spin happening in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. It might try to turn into a depression in the next couple of days. We will see, but luckily it's going to move by pretty quickly and stay south of our area. So here's a kind of quick snapshot with it going into the central Gulf of Mexico, and then into early Tuesday. It's already into South Texas and northern Mexico. Maybe turns into a depression as it gets closer to South Texas heading into later tomorrow. Closer to home, here's your precision cast today. It's going to be hot, humid, plenty of sunshine, some clouds, maybe a spot shower or storm. Most of us stay dry. It's going to be a little breezy today as well. Tomorrow, the Gulf disturbance passes by to our south. We can see some passing showers and storms, especially south of I-10. It's also going to be breezy throughout the day. Tomorrow, winds will be coming mostly from the east as the disturbance passes by. And then early Tuesday, we might be able to squeeze out a couple more passing showers, though we'll be on a drying trend heading into Tuesday and the rest of the week. So tomorrow is basically our only shot at real rain chances. So this is what the Gulf disturbance, in summary, is going to bring us. Some better rain chances tomorrow. It is going to be breezy tomorrow and Tuesday, and there's also a small craft advisory for the Gulf and for our lakes until Monday night as a result of that disturbance. In the meantime, today it's going to be hot. Temperatures probably getting in the upper 90s near the triple digits. Feels like temperatures will probably get up to 110. We have a heat advisory in effect today. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated. Tomorrow is it. Check out the rest of the week. It's going to be a scorcher. So tomorrow with the additional clouds and showers, temperatures will be in the lower 90s. Great. But then Tuesday, the rest of the week, we're going to see a sweltering heat wave that will not back down. Tuesday through next weekend, temperatures will probably get into the triple digits, especially midweek. Not much rain until next weekend when our rain chances start to go up just a little bit.